Alright guys, for this trek into DIY tech, we've been doing a lot of work on the ZD550 frame, and so, for those of you who don't know, this is the ZD550. So what I wanted to do in this video is, it's going to be a real quick one. I'm going to show you what I do to do flight tests, and I use three modes. I do manual, then I use either stabilized or altitude mode, and then I use the position hold. And so I start off in manual so I can do the tilt and roll on there to make sure all the props are spinning correctly. And then we do the altitude, and then we attempt the position hold, which that's the point where it's either going to do a flyaway or GPS is going to work correctly. So here we go.
Don't bring it this way. Sorry.
Disarm.
Sunday, and Gino and Sarah meet up with us there. There you go.
And that's it. So pretty simple, right? It's straightforward. Sometimes I even report things on paper, like battery voltage levels, temperature of the motors, and stuff like that. If it's a hobby one, I don't bother with all that, but I do go into the flight logs afterwards and take a look at those. We'll save that for another video though. As always, thank you for the time you spend with me, and we'll see you in the next video.